If you want to learn how to be a better leader, clap once. Round the day. Round the day. Everybody, we're going to trust each other. As a leader, you're going to have to get to know new people all the time. Phase 1 is about communication. Not only how you talk, but how you listen. In phase 2, which is about conduct, we're testing to see how you act. We're testing to see how you work as a team. We're testing to see how you work individually. But most of all, we are testing to see if you're going to be honest.
In leadership, even if you don't know what you're doing, you should just try your best.
If they only saw your actions, will they see you as a leader? Phase 3 is about your character, your values as a leader. We just want to see what you believe about yourself in the world. Yeah, y'all got it. Y'all make some noise. Y'all did it. Y'all did it. Y'all did it. Y'all did it. We all had a great time today. We talked about character. We talked about conduct. We talked about communication. You got to know yourselves. You got to know other people. You've done a lot in just a short amount of time.